Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, first on docket, number 84, the state of Miguel Eugene Stewart. Oh, yeah, raise your right hand. Let's go ahead and swear anybody in that's going to testify.
Yes. Bear with me, I have laryngitis. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're giving today is true and correct, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mr. Frauenberger's him. Nobody here on 84?
Oh, 84 Stewart.
Michael Eugene
yeah.
Stewart?
Yeah, Clint Milner for Prosperity Bank.
Mr. Frauenberger is the attorney.
I believe for the estate, I believe so.
And I do not see him.
I have not heard anything from him, Your Honor.
Okay, so you're here because you have a claim against the state or what, Mr. Miller?
I've received notice of the appear on docket, so I appearing on docket on behalf of Prosperity Bank. It hadn't been the full 30 days since the claim was filed, and we'd filed it because we only recently found out about the estate. Believe we've been in contact with the administrator of the estate, but I've not heard anything from Mr. Frauenberger.
Okay, so do you have any testimony you want to put on today?
No, I'm just appearing just because I received notice.
Okay. All right, so we'll try to get hold of Mr. Frauenberger and figure out what's going on. Thank you, sir, for being here. All right, let's move on to number 18, the state of Betty Cole. Mr. Davis.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Jason Davis, attorney for the estate of Betty Lou Cole. I'm here with our client, Russell Hayden Cannon, who is the son. If you want, I'll start going through the to prove up the will.
You may proceed, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor. I'm asking a series of questions. Will you please state your name for the court?
Russell Hayden Cannon.
And were you well acquainted with Betty Lou Cole, deceased?
Yes.
And how are you acquainted with Miss Cole?
She was my mother.
Did Betty Lou Cole die on December 14th, 2023 in Chambers County, Texas at the age of 86 years? Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Was the date of Miss Cole's death less than 4 years ago?
Yes, sir.
And was Betty Lou Cole a resident of Chambers County at the time of her death?
Yes, sir.
And I'll now show you a document, which I believe the court has, dated July 12th, 2023, which purports to be Betty Lou Cole's last will and testament as a minuet title. To best of their knowledge, is this document her will?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. And again, to the best of your knowledge, did she ever revoke this document?
No, sir.
Is there a necessity for the probate of this will and the estate just as a minuet title to cure title matters?
Yes.
Thanks. Okay, is the state of Texas or any governmental entity or any charitable organization named in the will as a devisee?
No.
After the day of the will, were any children born or adopted by Betty Lou Cole?
No.
Does the state owe any unpaid debts other than any debts secured by valid lien on the real estate, which there are none?
No.
And the land's free and clear, correct? There's no liens on the property or any bank loans or anything?
No, sir.
Okay. I know at this time, are you asking the court to admit Betty Lou Cole will just as a minuet title pursuant to section 257.051 of the Texas Estates Code?
Yes.
Okay, at this time, Your Honor, we'd like to request that Betty Lou's will be admitted to probate as a minuet title pursuant to section 257.051 of the Texas Estates Code, and that the will, together with the application and all the testimony given here today in this proceeding, shall serve as a minuet title. Further request that the court waives the filing of the affidavit under section 257.103 of the Texas State Code.
All right, everybody makes a little probate. Minuet title. Thank you, Counselor.
Thank you. And then we will, just a quick question, we'll sign the oaths and other documents and e-file them tomorrow after the date of this hearing. Does that suffice?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day. All right, call number
Thanks.
26, the state of Ada Francis Clement. Good morning.
Good morning,
Mr.
John.
Williams.
How are you,
How you
sir?
doing?
Doing good.
She was a good
Daniel
lady, good
Williams?
friend, good friend.
What's she now?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Her son and my son are the same age. So.
I
Grew
got
up-
you. I
grew up
saw him
to-
at the crawfish place on Saturday morning.
Was he behaving?
He was, but he was sitting at the bar.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. You may proceed.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. My name is Daniel Williams. I'm here to offer the will of Ada F. Clement to probate. Miss Clement passed away December the 4th of 2024. At the time of her death, she had a domicile and fixed place of residence in Chambers County, Texas. She left a will dated September the 7th, 2007. She passed away without having revoked the will. And in that will, she named her daughter, Marcy K. Cohen, to serve as independent executrix of the estate. And she is qualified and not disqualified from accepting letters. 4 years have not elapsed from the date of the death. She had no children born to or adopted by her after the date that she executed the will. She was not married or divorced after the execution of the will. No state or governmental agency is named, nor charitable organizations are named in the will as devisee. We ask that the will be admitted to probate and waive any appraisers. All right. Thank you, Your Honor. May be excused.
You may be.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right. Back to 84. So this will has not been probated.
Your Honor, I believe the will has been probated and letters have been issued. And yeah, I'm just here on behalf of the primary secured claimant, Prosperity Bank. That's all I know. We've been in contact with the executor. I believe she's trying to make arrangements on getting this paid to Prosperity. But I don't know where that is as of right now.
This is not April Fool's check. Man. I'm kidding.
No.
I just noticed it was April 1st on this paperwork.
True.
So I have an order here that says authenticated claim of Prosperity Bank having been duly presented and allowed representative of this state in their claims document for a period of at least 10 days. That's been done, Christy?
Yes,
Sorry, I didn't mean to make you talk.
that's
Being
okay.
satisfied that the claim is just, the court approves the claim in full as preferred debt and lien against the property to be paid according to terms and conditions of the loan agreement. So if the time's up, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and approve that order.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I believe there's 2 orders.
I say another signature memorandum of allowance. But the signee is Catherine Mary Cudgell. Talking about this one, Christy?
Yes. Is that
Yeah, that's to be signed by the, I guess he is the.
executor?
The executor, yeah.
Okay.
Again, I've not received anything on that yet.
Yeah, it's for her to sign that says hereby allow the claim in full as preferred debt and lien against the property.
Yep.
So, and I've signed the one that I'm supposed to. If there's something else that needs to be done, we'll get back with you. Miller.
No problem. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Anything else?
That should do it.
All right. Court's adjourned. Thank you all.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
You too.